For my biscuits, I'm going to be using my toaster oven. Why? Because I bloody feel like it. We're going to put it on bake, and we're going to do the temp at 450. So first, for my biscuits, I need a bowl. Yes, you can buy store-bought biscuits, they're just not the same, honestly. To get the proper experience, to get the proper flavour, you've got to make them, trust me. What I've learned over the years making biscuits, your ingredients have got to be cold, and I mean cold. Even the flour. So first, I want to sift in all the dry ingredients because I want my biscuits to be light, a bit like a ballet dancer. So first, get my flour. Nothing to this, so simple. Get my flour in. Next, your baking powder, baking soda, salt, need salt, and then just sieve it in. There's just something about baking, it's very mysterious to me, and you just never know what's going to happen, and I love that. I've got my butter, cold butter, and instead of adding chunks in there, I'm going to grate it. It just gives it an even coat of fat. Right, so add your cold butter. And for this, I'm using a pastry blender, and this just mixes the fat and the flour. You can use a food processor, that's fine. And with this, just give it a good old blend. And to make southern biscuits, you need buttermilk. It tastes like rat piss if you want to drink it, very sour, but it's fantastic in cooking. Makes it shine, especially with these biscuits. Deep fried chicken, this is the star ingredients. Right now, give it a mix. Don't overwork it. It shouldn't be wet, it should be slightly sticky. See that? That's where you want it. Just sticky, not overly wet. So next, flour your work surface. So add the mixture to the flour. Got my rolling pin, so lightly flour it. I'm just going to slightly roll it about an inch thick. Then with a cutter, just press down, don't twist. Right, the exciting part. That's the exciting thing about baking. You never know what's going to happen. Say a little prayer.